Welcome back, everybody. In the previous video, I showed you on how to deposit and how to buy a staking package using the OCEX token in your Web3 wallet. But I told you even you can, the old option is available. You can still deposit it directly and you'll be able to go and buy your staking package. And the moment you land, just go and click on purchase, and you'll be able to get your deposit balance to put it right there, and you'll be able to select your contract period, and everything will move in normal. So today I want to focus on how to withdraw something that's disturbing quite a lot of people. So I'll go here on and I'll show you how to withdraw. So I'll go in the section called how to withdraw here. Here, something to observe, you need to make sure that you have your wallet connected. You see, connect your wallet. For me, I'm using Binance Web3 wallet. It can be Tron on your side, it can be MetaMask. So whatever wallet that you have connected, for me, I've connected already to my account. I've connected what you call the Binance Web3 wallet. I love Binance Web3 wallet because it connects with the exchange directly. I'll be able to trade my USDT, the OCEX token into USDT and USDT into my local currency here in my country. So thank God to Binance because they put the Web3 where I show you that those people are using the exchange, which is centralized, and those who are using the wallet, which is decentralized. You see, so already my wallet is already connected. It's already connected, as you can see right here. You see, so I can sign in. You can see it's showing me to sign in. BNB Ocean, you can see I'm already connecting it right here. The moment I sign in, you can see I put my details here. Then I'll be able to confirm to confirm everything. You can see I'll sign in here. Okay, it has expired. Let me I'll come here, verify. Okay, let me verify it. You see, on a computer it will even be more clear, but I want to use the phone because the majority of you people, you are always using phones, right? And if you're using even the phone, even you can scan. You can do the scanning. You can scan with the QR code to connect to the site. But right now, let me sign in. Okay. So there we are. There we are. You see. So I've connected. You can see. Even I can be able to track the OCEX token here. You see the OCEX token to BNB Ocean. Everything is right clear. Or I can turn it into USDT. So meaning my Web3 wallet is fully connected with PancakeSwap and everything is clear. So we shall go back. Now hope we are good so far to this step. So let me take it further. Now you can see right here they showed us that you know what, you can be able to connect the wallet which I've already connected. You can see I've connected all my wallet. So the first step is to make sure you connect your wallet. Now the next thing which you are going to do, I'm going to go and now withdraw. Remember, the coins that we have two categories of OCEX token. They are the one which we received via airdrop, which we call the V1. Yes, this one. You see, this one is not yet done. This one, the airdrop, the coins you got into the airdrop, you cannot swap them right now. Now we are being allowed to cash out the ones which you have earned from staking. So the coins that we are moving, which we call the OCEX V2, is the coins that you have received from your bonuses apart from the airdrop. The airdrop is V1. That option is coming, I think, when they have launched their official exchange. But right now we are focusing on the coins that you are earning on daily basis that you want to trade or swap to USDT. So this in the wisdom way is what we are able to swap. It's very important to take note of that because many people that are doing that and their coins get lost along the way because they are withdrawing wrong coins. You see, we are focusing on V2, which means the coins from the bonuses. You see, from stake apart from the airdrop. The airdrop is V1. So Let's take note of that. So we come here and say withdraw. So the moment I click withdraw, I'll be in position to put in the amount, but I have to put also the receiving address. So since I have the my Web3 wallet, I'll be in position to go and copy. You see, even the wallet, I have to copy my BEP20 with Binance Chain, you know, OCEX V2. So I have to go to my Web3 wallet, and I choose the receiving wallet of this token. You see, so I can come and paste it here. So I'm going to show you that. So I come to here. So here we are. So here we go right here, and once you go on the side of assets, you can see you can see that you can click here on receive, and the moment you click receive tokens via the address, I click under token via address here. So once I click here, I'm going to look for the token. Now to get the receiving address, we are going to go to our PancakeSwap account. Remember also PancakeSwap account has our wallet connected there. So I'll go to the to this where I have my wallet also connected. So I will come here and I'll select the receiving address. You can see here, you can see there is an option to receive here. You can see there's an option here to receive. You know, already PancakeSwap is showing all my balances that I have in my Binance wallet. So it's all the same. So to get the address, I'm going to come here where there is receive. You see, so the moment I click receive, the receiving address, which from the word that are connected. So this is the address. I can scan it, you know, or I can just choose to copy. The moment I choose to copy, this is what I'm going to go and paste here. Now the moment I come to here, I paste the address that I've already gotten there, the receiving address, through PancakeSwap. So I'll come here. Let me make it like that, uniform. So they charge 5%, which is that money is going to be used for liquidity in PancakeSwap. So as you deposit, as you withdraw using OCEX token, they charge you 5%. So now I'm gonna be cashing out about $136. So I come here and I will send the OTP to approve that I'm the one, you know, initiating this withdrawal. So I'll go to my email now. Yes, my code has arrived, so I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to go back and then paste it here. So once it's confirmed, now the money is going to, the tokens are already withdrawn. You can see right now I'm left with what? With zero. You see, so now already is showing. Even if I want to go and deposit back so that I can be able to stake it back, you can see I have a balance of 868 OCEX token. It's already in my withdrawal wallet. It's meaning it's reflecting. It's on my Binance right. So in case I want to deposit back, if I don't want to swap to USDT, I can come and deposit back so I can be able to compound my package. So from there I can just go and I do packet staking, and it will be able to show my balance. If okay, I have to move it. If I'm to do that, I have to select the amount that I want to deposit right here. You see, I have to put how much money I want to deposit back. If it's all the tokens, you know, then I'll be able to deposit back. Hope take note of that, of these things. You know, we are learning together here. I'm trying to be as practical as possible. So you need to share this video to many of your friends. So what happens after withdrawing, where these coins are available now into my Web3 wallet? If I go to my PancakeSwap, now PancakeSwap is here. You can see if I go and I check, you can see these tokens are already showing. I can move them here. You can see this is the balance of the OCEX token that I have. You see, now if I want to max to swap all of them, if I want to swap all of them, I'll be getting about $136. So, but now you need to have what you call the gas fee to enable the swapping. So you have to make sure in your wallet that you are using, you have some BNB, because this token is running on what you call the Binance Smart Chain. So you need to have some BNB of about $5, on average, to facilitate this swap for those who want to swap. So you can only swap without that. So if I come to swap here, you can see that they normally ask me that, you know what, the slippage fee and the swapping rate that they will show me here. So if I come and I click swap, I can swap from there. The second optional, I can also go to my Binance wallet here, because even PancakeSwap is connected into my Binance wallet, so I can go on trade because it's already reflecting here. You can see it's already reflecting here. You see, I can also swap. You can see they are already here, which is 124 USDT that I'll be getting. I can swap immediately and turn it into USDT. So whatever option you choose, but for me, I want to use the exchange, because that's the beauty of Binance. It makes everything very, very simple. Now, the moment it's here, I can be able to uh, to swap immediately. So I will be able to swap. So choose. But sometimes I tried actually to use let's go back to PancakeSwap, and they wanted to increase the slippage, meaning the percentage which they will cut from me. It looked a little bit expensive. Let me see if I can divide it. Maybe I put 100. I swap here with 100 just to demonstrate for you guys. 100 OCEX token, I'll be getting like $15. $15. Yes, so let's see. You can looting time to try in 1 second. You can see sometimes the exchange is so much busy. Sometimes it's so much busy. So the moment I click swap, you can see it was showing me some error wasted when I was doing it, but I think right now it's good. I think they've done it perfectly. Okay, let me see. Now the remaining one, I can you can see it has not yet done it. Okay, so now let's use the swapping option within my wallet, which is the Binance wallet that I'm using. Those who are just seeing this, so I'll come here and I put the maximum and I just click swap, because I already have some BNB that will work as my gas. So the moment I click here swap, guess what? They are showing the decrease by 10%. They will charge me this for this swap. It's like 10% because of gas. So I'll come here, then I come and click continue. The moment I click continue, guess what? I verify, I put in my poof, the swap is done. Now you can see I don't have any OCEX token. Now what I have is USDT. You see, this is USDT that I have. So if I go into my assets here, you can actually see that I have now 125 whatever, meaning $125, meaning I've changed my OCEX token into USDT directly through PancakeSwap and my Web3 wallet that I'm using. Hope that is very clear. Please share this video with as many people as possible. You can help somebody who's a member who is invested into this mega project. Now we're gonna see this token reaching $1, $10. Now it's on autopilot. The price not controlled at all. It's now the market, is the demand. You see, so we're gonna see more liquidity coming in, the lot of beautiful things. And those who want to know what's going on with BNB Ocean, actually, we are entering into what we call predictive markets. So there's a lot of amazing news for those who are members of X55. We have a Dubai trip that's coming up. Please stay tuned, attend our Zooms, join our respective WhatsApp group so that don't miss out on any details. My name is Coach Mustafa. Hope this video has been of value. And if it has been of value, kindly subscribe to this channel and share it to every member in your team. And in case you need help, please, you can reach out to me privately. You can do a call, we can do whatever. Go in the group, you can ask and attend to your question. I can be able to guide you practically. But this is how it's done. This is how you are able to trade on PancakeSwap. So make sure, step one, make sure you have your Web3 wallet connected to what? To your PancakeSwap is connected to your also to your BNB Ocean platform. Step three, make sure you also have some BNB on your wallet, which is gonna facilitate the swapping. The next thing is just to swap. It's as simple as that. Thank you, everybody. Hope you've gotten a like and subscribe on this video. Thank you.